You move to Canada with skills, with real experiences, and with your credentials. But when you apply for jobs here, there is total silence. You know that feeling, right? You constantly go to your email to check whether you were lucky to receive one interview, but you see nothing. Most immigrants or applicants forget that the resumes that you have from your home country do not work here. The format, the wordings, the layout is totally different. I've made this immigrant resume bundle so that you don't waste months repeating my own mistakes. It contains resume template, cover letter template, job tracker, common mistakes, remote job platforms, free Google courses that you can take. And this is everything you need in just one place. It's for just $9.99 US. Comment tracker and I'll send it right to you immediately.